Hey, it's Matt Jones with Kentucky Sports Radio, and I'm here with Blaine Adams. He's the owner of AIC Roofing. Blaine, for me, hiring a roofing contractor is very stressful. Why is that?
Matt, roofing contractors do a job that's 20 or 30 feet in the air that most people will never see up close. You have to trust the roofing contractor won't take shortcuts and will stand behind their work. That's why we offer a 10-year workmanship on every roof we do.
You know, that's a big deal because the standard in the industry, I think, is just like 5 years. But for you, workmanship, communication, that's your priority.
Nothing is more frustrating than a contractor that won't communicate. I want to make sure our customers are informed throughout the process.
So if you need to repair or replace your roof, I highly recommend AIC Roofing. Right now, you can save $500 on a new roof replacement, get 12 months, no payments, no interest financing. But this is your last chance to call before the end of the program, and I'll give you a free gutter protection system. Well, he will. So call the number on your screen and go to AICroofing.com.